In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Canva designs longer than 100 pages. Canva page limit. If you've ever hit Canva's page cap and needed more room, this workflow will let you build large documents while keeping everything crisp and in order. Start by opening Canva and going to your design. Take a quick moment to confirm your page size and layout are exactly how you want them, because you'll be repeating this across multiple parts. The key idea is to break your project into chunks so each document stays under the page limit. Create Part 1 for pages 1 through 100. Then Part 2 for pages 101 through 200. And continue that pattern if you have more content. Keeping each part under the threshold ensures Canva remains responsive and your export quality stays consistent. Once a part is ready, download it individually using the PDF print option. This is Canva's highest quality setting and will give you the sharpest text and graphics for long documents. Let the export finish fully so you don't end up with partial files. As you save, give each file a clear name that reflects the order, like Project Name Part 1 and Project Name Part 2. Consistent naming makes the next step faster and prevents mix-ups when you combine everything. Now, use a free online PDF merger to stitch the parts together in the correct order. Popular choices include iLovePDF and Small PDF. Open your chosen tool. Look for Merge PDF and select it. Upload the files you created. Most tools let you drag to rearrange if needed, so take a moment to double-check the sequence before you continue. When everything looks right, click Merge. The tool will process the files and create a single combined PDF. Download the merged file and give it a clear final name. Open it to review the flow from page 1 onward and confirm the formatting, fonts, and images look consistent across the entire document. If something seems out of place, you can always go back to the relevant part in Canva. Adjust it, re-export with PDF print, and re-merge. A few quick tips to keep things smooth: organize your parts in a dedicated folder, keep the same design settings across all sections, and maintain a simple naming convention so the order is obvious at a glance. Also, be mindful of file sizes when working with lots of images. That's it. Thanks for watching.